Good morning, guys. Today I'm at Ushimado Port in Okayama Prefecture, waiting for the ferry to take us across to Maejima Island. We're here for a school camp, so I've been roped into doing the cooking for the next 2 nights. Now we'll see how that goes. All right, let's get to it. All right, heading over to Maejima now. And just behind me up on the hill there, if you watched our Okayama series, that's where the Olive Garden was up there. There you go, just a short 5-minute ferry trip over here at Maejima. About to dock now, so I better get in the car. Second load of baggage up to the camp out the back of the car. All the kids' bags, they gotta walk up. I'll bring the luggage up, drop it all off for them. And then we're gonna have curry tonight. It's getting a bit late, so we changed the plan. It's burgers tonight. So I've only gotta make some patties, cook some hot dogs. Want the luggage unloaded? All right. So we're gonna make some burger patties. Kids have finished dinner. Just got the fire going. They're going to come down and roast some marshmallows. Oh, that'll be fun. Beautiful night. This is how you make bread go further. 6 bread, cut it in half, and toast it on the barbie. Good thing I did all the prep work this morning. 4:20, they want to eat at 5, so got it done just in time. Good morning. Well, that's our 3-day trip done and dusted. Just put all the kids on the ferry. My job's finished, all the cooking's done, all the cleanup. Now I'll take you for a drive around this little island. Let's go. Along this part of the island, this road here. There's all these blocks of land for sale. We were here a couple of years ago, came up and had a look. I thought, ooh, geez, that'd be nice. Beautiful view across here to the islands. So we rang the real estate agent, and they want about 350,000 Australian dollars for them. Yeah, a little bit pricey. Then you got to build a house. But if you got the cash, check out the view. The people that own this block have turned it into a little campsite. So they've got a toilet, bench, little sink down here. So you're getting a bit of revenue from their vacant block. There we go. A dunny with a view. On a nice day, it's a beautiful overlooking this little island here. Just drive up around the road here. There's an observation tower right next to an old quarry. This quarry, they cut stone for Osaka Castle from this quarry. And there's blocks just laying around on the ground that they didn't use. So we'll go up and have a look at that. Let's go. Oh, check out this rock here. They started on this one. We're going to split it. Huh. Well, one down there too. But never got around to it. Well, they had enough stone. Probably said, all right fellas, that's enough. Yeah, and just below the stone I was standing on, there's a heap of cut stone that they've just left behind. The end of September, but it is steamy today. There's a bit of rain and cloud around. Oh no. If you saw our Tatsuno video, we went to an observation deck. It was closed as well. Now, this is the part I hate. Well, I don't hate it, but my knees do. Going down. Must be some good thermals today. What is going on here? Check out these cars. Got party balloons in the back there. Wow. What these cars are doing here on Maejima, I got no idea. Are they gotta have like a event? Somebody's built a little bar on that down there. Maybe somebody's dream went kaput. Oh, that's nice. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed my little 3-day excursion over here on Maejima Island. Didn't get to do too much, but stuck in the kitchen for the last 3 days. But yeah, definitely a place I'll be coming back to for sure. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like and share, and we will catch you next time. Bye for now.